Today we will compare latest Samsung Galaxy M20 and Galaxy J8, and find out the best one. Galaxy M20 has 6.3-inch screen, with 409 pixels per inch. While Galaxy J8 has 6.0-inch screen with only 274 pixels per inch. However, J8 is 0.6 mm thicker than M20. J8 has shown a huge improvement in camera setup, as the front camera is 16 megapixels while rear cameras are 16 and 5 megapixels. On the other hand, M20 has an 8 megapixel front camera and 13 plus 5 megapixels rear camera setup. M20 is available in 4 and 3 GB RAM, with 32 and 64 GB storage options. While J8 is also available in 4 and 3 GB RAM, with 32 and 64 GB storage options. And yes, do not worry, you can add extra storage in both smartphones. Samsung Galaxy M20 has Exynos 7904 chipset, with 1.8 Octa Core Processor. While J8 has Snapdragon 450 chipset, with 1.6 Octa Core Processor. M20 has a huge battery setup, with 5000 mAh battery, while J8 also has a large 3500 mAh battery. Although M20 have higher specs, still its price is almost $120 less than previous J8 smartphone. Slot. Both smartphones have a better screen protection, and both M20 and J8 will operate under old Android Oreo. Both smartphones are compatible with dual SIM options along with SD card slot. However, both devices do not have any water and dust IP protection. You cannot use any of the smartphone to pay any kind of bills, as they do not support mobile payment. Both smartphones do not have wireless charging as well as fast charging options. For security, both devices are equipped with rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. However, no Face ID or face scan is available. M20 is available in ocean blue and charcoal black color. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, both devices worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for